Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So this is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a next topic from chapter number 5, addition and subtraction up to 20. So students, in our previous video we had completed the topic number bonds and I am sure you understood the topic number bonds very clearly. Now today we are going to discuss about our new topic, that is counting forward to add. So students, here we are going to know how to add as counting forwards. Okay, so take out your maths book and your pencil eraser along with you. Open page number 62. So let's get started. Students, look here, topic counting forward to add. So students, here add 4 and 9 by counting forward on the number strips. So students, here you have to add the two numbers 4 and 9 by counting forwards on the number strip. Start at 4 and count forwards by 9. So students, here what you have to do, you have to add the number 4 and 9. So to do this, first of all you have to start from number 4, then you have to count forwards by 9, or you can say that you have to skip forward 9 times. Students, look here, this is a rabbit. So students, suppose this rabbit is at 4, then he jumps 9 times forward. Okay, so students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So students, at last rabbit reach at the number 13. So here students, we started from number 4 and then you reach to the number 13. So the answer is 13, or when you add 4 and 9 you get the number 13. So students, here we have to add numbers by using number strip. Now quick tip, start with the bigger number to count forwards to add. So students, if two numbers is given, one is bigger and other is small, then you have to add this number. So you have to start with the bigger number to count forward to add. For example, two numbers 4 and 3. So students, 4 is greater than 3. So students, you have to count 3 forward from the number 4. So students, after 4, 5, then 6, then 7. So when we count forward 3 times to 4, we get the number 7. So students, you have to solve this by using this number strip. So students, let me tell you how to do this question in your notebook. Students, look here. First of all, you have to mention the chapter 5, addition and subtraction up to 20. And students, you have to mention topic counting forward to add. So students, here worksheet question number B, that is already done here. You have to draw number strip like this from 0 to 13 or 0 to 20, you can draw a number strip. Then you have to show 4 plus 3 in this number strip. So students, first of all we have to start at 4. Then we have to jump or skip forward or count forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So students, here the number will be 7. When we count forward from 4 3 times, we get the number 7. So students, like this you have to do these questions by using this number strip. Next question, 5 plus 6, you have to do similar like this, and 6 plus 7 you have to also show at this number strip. So I hope you understood how to add using the number strip. The remaining questions is homework for you. You have to do it yourself, and I'm sure you can do it. Now students, let's come to the next topic, adding 10. So students, here we are going to discuss about topic adding 10. Question number C, how many pencils in all? Add. Students, in this question, look here, a bundle of pencil is given. So students, in bundle of one pencil there are 10 pencils. So students, a bundle is of 10 pencils. So here we are going to add. First one is already done for you, 10 plus 1. So students, a bundle of pencil that has 10 pencils and one more pencil make together 11 pencil. Now you have to also add this in vertical form. Here at ones place 0 and 1. So first of all we have to add 0 and 1. So we get 1 at ones place. Now at tens place 1. So students, below nothing is given, so here 1. So answer will be 11. Now students, look here, get it right. Students, to do this sum, students, how to write 10 plus 11 in vertical form is given here. Students, the right form to write 10 plus 1 in vertical form is this. This form is not correct. Okay. Now students, second one, a bundle of pencil, it means 10, and 2 more pencil. So when we add 10 plus 2, we get 12. Now here in vertical addition, at ones place 0 and 2, so we get here 2. Now at tens place there is only 1. At below nothing is given, so here we write 1 same as same. So here answer will be 12. Now in third, 10 pencil plus 3, a bundle of pencil plus 3 pencil, we get total 13 pencils in vertical form. At ones place 0 and 3. So when we add 0 and 3, we get 3 because 0 means nothing. And here at tens place 1 is given, so we have to write here 1. So here answer will be 13. So you have to do next sums like similarly like this, as in question number first, second and third. So you have to do all these sums in your book as well as in your notebook. You have to practice this sums, that is adding 10. So I hope you understood this topic very well by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Keep practicing and keep learning. Keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.